Hello folks, I'm L.A. Little and this is today's short take. I wanted to talk about just the strength of the general market, and what I mean by that is if the general market, you've probably heard a rising tide lifts all boats. And what they're talking about, of course, is that a strong market, right, will support all stocks. If you have a sideways market, which is what we have right now, it's going to keep all stocks contained, or at least the vast majority of them. AMGN's a good example. AMGN gets a nice big push up here on earnings. As it pushes up, volume expands, everything that you want to see. But instead of this thing continuing up, as we saw the last time this happened, in other words, when we go back to here, look at what happens this time. It spikes up, gets out of the range, and then it just gets pulled right back into the range. Now there's nothing wrong with this stock. It still looks good. It's just doing a bullish retest regen off this high that it broke. But the power of this range, right, is strong. And it's just going to hold these stocks in until it either breaks out, right, the general market, or it breaks down, one of the two. Strong stocks, yeah, you can buy those. You can play them on the longer term. You got to just sell spikes and buy the dips. But outside of that, general market's range-bound nature is keeping everything else the same. That is today's short take.